Anne-Marie Ree Drummond, née Smith, born January 6, 1969, is an American blogger, author, food writer, and television personality. Drummond became known for her blog, The Pioneer Woman, which documented her life in rural Oklahoma. Capitalizing on the success of her blog, Drummond stars in her own television program, also titled The Pioneer Woman, on the Food Network, which began in 2011. She has also written cookbooks, a children's book, and an autobiography. In 2015, Drummond launched a homey lifestyle product line of cookware, cutlery, appliances, clothing, and outdoor living products. What is Ree Drummond's net worth? Drummonds own more than 400,000 acres of land in the United States. The family lives on a working ranch outside of Pawhuska, Oklahoma, with her husband and 4 children. Let's Get More in the Duke, written by Catherine Walker, read by Sally Gefford. Her show, The Pioneer Woman, has aired on the Food Network since 2011. Early life: Anne-Marie Ree Smith was born on January 6, 1969, in Oklahoma to William Bill Smith, an orthopedic surgeon, and Jerry Schwartz Smith. Ree and her siblings, 2 brothers Doug and Mike, and a sister Betsy, grew up in the town of Bartlesville, Oklahoma. The town is primarily known as an oil town and is located about 50 miles north of Tulsa, not far from the border of Kansas. She graduated from Bartlesville High School in 1987. She enrolled at the University of Southern California in Los Angeles. She was a member of the Pi Beta Phi sorority in college. She graduated in 1991 with a bachelor's degree in gerontology. She moved home for the summer with the intent of following her then-boyfriend to Chicago and going to law school. That plan changed when she met Lad Drummond one night in a bar. The Pioneer Woman, Drummond, began blogging in 2006, writing about homeschooling and sharing photographs of the entire process. Her recipe for success. Her blog, called The Pioneer Woman, it was originally called Confessions of a Pioneer Woman, went on to win multiple awards, including top honors at the Weblog Awards. The blog was also named 2010's Weblog of the Year. She also launched the popular recipe site Jean Quan Chai. She has published multiple best-selling books. Her memoir, From Black Heels to Tractor Wheels, which chronicles her experience going from life in Los Angeles and plans to attend law school in Chicago to her current life on a rural ranch in Oklahoma. Let us become a part of this as of April 2011. Let us become a part of this incredible story. Reached 2 on the New York Times bestseller list and was in talks to be made into a movie with Reese Witherspoon playing Ree. That's never materialized. She also wrote the best-selling book, The Pioneer Woman Cooks, A Food from My Frontier,